Hi everyone, it's Morkit. Today we are going to have a day trip around Bangkok. There's always an event in this hall. Very good. ขอบคุณครับตัดสั้นเลยก็ดีครับ To be honest, doing pedicure and manicure could be as relaxed as going to a massage.
เมนูของเราขายดีอันดับหนึ่งคือเป็นเมนูยำเนื้อครับ
And it's gonna be an easy trip just for fun and relaxation. Welcome to Morkit. Alright, so now we are in Suan Luang Lamanai Park, which is a park in Sinakarin area, and it's a little bit further from the city. You can come here by taking MRT Yellow Line train to Suan Luang Lamanai station. And if you are already get bored with the famous Lumpini Park in the city, this might be the park that I recommend to you. It's gigantic, it's less touristy, it's more peaceful, it's more quiet. And this is my favorite park. Now it's 7 o'clock, almost 8 o'clock in the morning, and you see that is the iconic landmark of this park. I guess it's a hall for exhibition events or something. Very nice to walk around. Birds are so loud. What are they talking about? This view is so nice. And now I'm taking you to a free gym. It's a gym for free. You don't need any membership card. Look at that. Boxing, weightlifting, anything you would ask for to work out. Even though the equipment is not that fancy or brand name, but it's work. It's just fine. Yeah. Already gets wet after only 20-30 minutes of this free gym. Very nice. This is more than a park. It's also a zoo. Very cute animal, actually. I'll วิตามินขวดหนึ่งครับครับ Soy milk 20 baht. This is the entrance fee for this park. It's only 10 baht per person. And if you drive here, motorcycle 5 baht, a car 10 baht. And the good news is if you enter before 9 a.m. or after 5 p.m. in the afternoon, it's free. So nice here. It's very bright, very open, and you can get the duck cycling just like in Lumpini Park. They are preparing the garden for flower events in winter.
อันนี้เขาจะมีงานเมื่อไหร่ล่ะครับพี่เขาจะมีงานเมื่อไหร่ครับเขาจะมีงานดอกไม้เมื่อไหร่ครับวันที่ 1 เดือนธันวาอ๋อขอบคุณครับ
Yes, see? They are preparing. the plants and flowers. What are they doing? Working? Okay, so right now we are in Seacon Square department store, Sinakarin. It's the huge department store near the Suan Luang Lamanai Park. And the good thing about this department store is because it's far from the city, so it's very local. So if you come here, you will see the real time. And this is also the highlight. There's always an event in this hall. And this is one of the themes that they made for this week. I'm so hungry right now. Let's have our brunch here. Eat MR. Good steak. And here's the menu. Salad. They also have spaghetti. The burger looks amazing. Wow. And as you can see, the price is a good price. 119 baht. Beef is a little bit more expensive, but still cheap. โหเข้มข้นมาก ลองเลยแล้วกันฟังไม่เกี่ยวอร่อยเลย If you don't get used to Thai food, you might find this very spicy. But for those who get used to, this is very good. So this is like Thai style spaghetti, and you cannot find this anywhere else in the world. โอ้โห
ฮาวายเป็นไงนี่เราจืดกว่า
very good
เป็นเหลืองมีแมว
And as you can tell, this restaurant serves Western food in a Thai style kind of way. But even though it's quite Thai, but I think you still like it, and the price is not expensive at all for this kind of food, and you know the place, the atmosphere of the restaurant. The popcorns look so good. แล้วก็เอาคอนดอกอันหนึ่งครับ Food here is very cheap. Iced coffee 35 baht. Corn dog only 30 baht. Ice cream 15 baht. Very cheap. This is coffee flavor 15 baht, and you get this. This is corn dog. It's hot. It's soft. It's not a fancy hot dog, but it's cheap, and the taste is not bad at all for Thai people. As you can see, they are very serious about events. It looks very fancy. Okay, now let's do something relaxed. And right now we are in Habito Mall, which is a hidden tiny little mall in Onut area. It takes only like 15 minutes walk from the station, or 2 minutes if you run.เอาน้ำอ้อยเสาวรสครับ แล้วมันจะไหลออกมาเนี่ยI chose this one a sugar cane with passion fruit 50 บาทขอบคุณครับแอมอ้อยอร่อยครับอร่อยเลยครับ This is quite new for me because I normally drink passion fruit without sugar cane or a sugar cane without passion fruit but this one mix these two together and it tastes very good Aloha Nail and Spa
ตัดสั้นเลยไหมคะ
ตัดสั้นเลยก็ดีครับ
ทรงมนนะคะ
มีทรงอะไรอีกครับ
มีเหลี่ยม
อ๋อมนครับมน so don't be afraid if you are a man to come to the nail salon because here is for everyone แล้วที่นี่มีคนต่างชาติมาทำด้วยไหมครับร้าน
เยอะนะคะ
เยอะเลยครับ
ข้างหลังนี้ก็ลูกบ้านคอนโดอะไรเงี้ยค่ะ
แล้วคนไทยกับต่างชาติเนี่ยไหนเยอะกว่ากันครับ
ครึ่งเลยค่ะ
อ๋อนิ้วโป้งนั้นคือเป็นปัญหามากครับเจ็บไหมครับไม่เจ็บครับ She's crafting my toes just like crafting a wood but it's not hurt at all it feels good
ต้องโชว์เลยตะไบเกาหลี
อันนี้แหละครับ คือแพงใช่ไหม
แต่ว่าใช้ดี
อันนี้คือแช่น้ำเพื่ออะไรนะครับ
จะขัดก้น
And to be honest doing pedicure and manicure could be as relaxed as going to a massage the atmosphere of this shop is very nice wow and right now she put the lotion on my arm and now we have like 4 hands massageง่วงแล้วเนี่ยจะหลับแล้วเคลิ้มสุดๆอ๋อถ่ายขายนะ
บังคับด้วยนะ
And now my nails are brand new so my feet are brand new too oh it's raining and now when it's raining it's even more relaxing at least for me and I think the main reason that this mall is very relaxing and peaceful is because it's in the middle of the area of the same brand of condominium. I think most of the visitors here are usually the people who are living in those condominium and also from other places. Mini white chocolate donut ครับSo now we are in Japanese restaurant called Kinshiro. It's a izakaya kind of style Japanese restaurant. It is located in Bangna area and Udomsuk area. So you can take the MRT yellow line to Siodom station, and it only takes like 5 minutes by taxi.
เนี่ยก็เป็นเมนูของเราขายดีอันดับหนึ่งคือเป็นเมนูยำเนื้อครับอันดับ2ก็จะเป็นตัวทาโกะวาซาบิครับปิ้งย่างก็ขายดีที่สุดก็จะเป็นหนังไก่ครับหนังไก่ดีมากครับปีกไก่หมูติดมัน
So this is taco wasabi raw squid in wasabi sauce. This is very good taco wasabi. So the owner told me that you have to pick the beef like this. อันนี้ใช่ไหมครับที่ไว้ที่จานแล้วก็หอม
ใช่ครับแล้วก็หักนิดหนึ่ง
โอ้ หสุดยอดครับ
ครับผมครับ
The owner is very friendly. He advise us every detail. Amazing. And if you look around this restaurant, the atmosphere is very relaxing. And even though I don't like crowded, you know, if the place has too much people, I would try to avoid. But this place, when you sit and you see people laughing, talking, and you sit here, it's very relaxed. And this is yakitori. This is chicken skin. Oh my god. It's very crispy. I'm sure it's gonna go very well with the beer. เป็นไงอร่อยปะนี่อร่อยนะไม่เคยกินที่ไหนแบบนี้เลยครับ
มันจะนิ่มๆมันจะไม่กรอบ
มันจะมีกรอบๆนอกนุ่มใน
And in my opinion, this one is amazing. I think I have never tasted anything like this before. And that's it for today's episode of Easy Trip in Bangkok. So if you like, please subscribe and like and comment if you can, so you can see the travel video like this in the future. Thank you for watching. Morkit. See you next time.